To commemorate the 161th death anniversary of Kiang Nangbah, two separate programs were held in Jaintia Hills today. The first program took place at Madan Minkoi Perdi Yongpya, organized by Saint Raj. The function at Yongpya was attended by Rajya Sabha MP W.R. Karluki. Earlier, the MP Rajya Sabha paid floral tribute to Kiang Nangbah at the Memorial Stadium. Statue Pok Kablai Molik Su. MLA Santa Maricela also paid her respect at Kiang Nangbah Memorial Park. Addressing one of the function, Dr. Karluki stated that even after 161 years, Kiang Nangbah's legacy remains alive today. The other function held at Madan Madhya Kamai Blai Sintuksiar is a site of the first Dorbar of elders of the 12 Ilakas. It was during this meeting that the Dorbar resolved to fight against British imperialism in 1861-1862.
The history of Korea, the thought of God be pray. Hekir pray on giman bias. Man thought hokika. Jo ongi. Yang ini kejele. Yang ki konflik puna. To resistance. Untuk resistance. To freedom movement. Oyele. Oyo. Yang lain.
The Saint Raj